Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage financial analytics with adaptive insights, full guide step by step clearly. First, begin by logging into your Adaptive Insights account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard for an overview of your financial data. Identify the key performance indicators, or KPIs, relevant to your organization. To create a financial model, click on the Models tab in the top menu. Select Create New Model to start a fresh financial model. Define the parameters for your model, ensuring they align with your organization's goals. Input historical data to provide a foundation for your financial projections. Use the Assumptions feature to set the variables that will influence your financial outcomes. Next, move to the Reports section to create custom financial reports. Choose the type of report you need, such as income statements or cash flow analysis. Customize the report layout and select the data fields to include. Utilize the forecasting tool to project future financial scenarios based on your model. Adjust assumptions as necessary to see how changes impact financial outcomes. Collaborate with team members by sharing reports and allowing for real-time edits. Leverage the dashboard's visualization tools to create appealing graphs and charts. Use these visuals to communicate insights effectively to stakeholders. Adjust the timeframes for your reports to reflect monthly, quarterly, or yearly analysis. Ensure that you continually update your data to keep your forecasts accurate and relevant. Periodically review your financial analytics process to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can effectively manage financial analytics with adaptive insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.